Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm ready for the release of my April Candy's Card Club project packet. So, I wanted to do it a little bit different today and just talk to you a little bit about Candy's Card Club and why you might want to join me. So, Candy's Card Club is a monthly class by mail, and each month I create 8 different card designs around a single bundle. Typically, it's a bundle. Sometimes it's a stamp set, but typically it's a bundle. And then I include with your packet some really fun consumables. And then you can either use the stamp set and the bundle that I have designed around to complete the projects exactly as I've designed them, or you can just use whatever you have on hand. So let me show you a little bit about April, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what Candy's Card Club can do for you. So for April, I am using Delicate Forest. I already had my eye on this. Was planning to use it for April, and then when I discovered that this was not on the last chance list, but it's carrying over into the new annual catalog, I thought, yeah, for sure. And the reason for that is because I know it's available for you. I know it's not going to sell out. And I also know that you have at least another year to gain lots of ideas on using this. And of course, if you're a demonstrator, then that remains active for at least another year. So it is just a little reminder that when this goes into the new annual catalog in May, it will no longer be a bundle. So if you want this bundle, you would want to get it before the end of April so that you get that 10% off. Now, in Candy's Card Club, I have 3 things that I really endeavor to deliver for you. The first one is value. So all of the project packet ingredients are aimed at delivering a lot of value to you. I also aim at delivering versatility. So this is really where I aim at with my stamp sets and dies. I want things that are going to be really versatile for you, and I typically am able to use all the stamps and all the dies in the designs for any given month. And I'm definitely doing that for April. The other thing I like to deliver for you is variety. So I do 8 different card designs. Now, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek here and show you what I mean, because I do 2 of each that are a little bit different. So like this is one of my card designs for April. And then this is one of my card designs for April. Again, they're different. So they're 2 that typically will have a similar layout or exactly the same layout, maybe using different colors, maybe using different papers. I normally have one fun fold for April. I actually have 2. So this is really a cool trifold card that opens this way. And then I have another set of fun folds, and that is this one here that I really, really like the way these came out. And I work to give you like different ways to use the stamps because I want you to continue to use these stamps well after you have finished the 8 designs that I'm going to send you. So lots of ideas is what I'm endeavoring to give you. So with your Candy's Card Club packet, you get the 8 project packets for these, and all of your die cutting is done for you. Now, I do mine a little bit different. Some people don't do the dies that are part of the bundle, but I do. So like all of this die cutting is done for you. The one time I don't do the die cuts for you is if you have to stamp it and then die cut it, because typically when you die cut it first, the stamping inside, you're not going to be able to line it up well. And I want you to have real success with your projects. So with my 8 card projects, I'm going to give you 8 envelopes that will go with that. And then for April, you're also getting a half pack of this beautiful Meandering Meadows Designer Series paper. And I give you lots of ideas on how to use the A side as well as the B side. Then you are going to get a full pack of these opaque ovals. Now there is, you can't see it here, but there is this other color in here, this Orchid Oasis, that you're going to use on several of your projects. But you'll have lots left over of these items so that you can make more of the same designs, or maybe you want to change them up a little bit, or maybe you want to use these with a totally different stamp set. The other thing you're going to get in your April packet is 2 blending brushes. So I am going to do for you, in addition to your PDF tutorials, I'm going to give you a little video because on these are actually done with blending brushes. And so I'm going to give you a little bit of a tips and tricks video for your blending brushes. So you get all of that plus your first class shipping, and that is delivered to your mailbox for $39 per month. Now, you do get PDF tutorials, and like I said, this month you'll get video tutorials as well. I also include a little gifty. I haven't figured out what it's going to be for April yet, but in March it was a little facial mask, and I packaged it up really cute and put it in your club packet in February. In February, we were using the Everyday Details bundle, which had that cute little teacup. So I actually had a little honey packet and just packaged it up really cute. So that's a little gift for my club members. It also gives you an idea for another way to use your stamp set or your bundle. So a couple of things about Candy's Card Club that you're going to want to make note of. First of all, you must be subscribed by the 12th of that month to receive that month's packet. So the 12th is my deadline every month. And then I will endeavor to get everything shipped out by the 17th. Now that's a pretty close turnaround from my deadline. And sometimes, like if the 17th is on a Sunday, sometimes they won't go out till the next day. But the 17th is that's where I'm aiming to be. You will also receive your PDF tutorials and any video tips and tricks videos by email. All of that is going to be sent to you by email. You can do a single month for Candy's Card Club, but you're going to pay more. So my best suggestion is that you just go ahead and join the club. You don't have anything to lose. You can unsubscribe at any time. If you do stay with me for 6 months, you do get a product bonus, and I really, I do some nice product bonuses and lots of cute little gifties in there too. So that is my special thank you to my club members. Now you can stay in club for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, but each 6 months, and I track it for you, each 6 months you're going to get a product bonus. So one other point about Candy's Card Club. So my subscription is run through PayPal. You don't have to have like PayPal in order to use PayPal. It's really just a facilitating platform. So you can pay for Candy's Card Club with a credit card, but it's going to be run through PayPal. There was one other thing I was going to mention to you. PayPal, you can unsubscribe at any time. One other thing is in May, Candy's Card Club is going to have a little price increase. Now, in the new annual catalog, there's a price increase on some cardstock, which is one of the major things that you're getting in your packet, as well as some other items. And so, we've had a couple of price increases, and I kept my price the same. And at some point, you can't absorb those costs. Just like, when we go to the grocery store and those things just keep going up a little bit. So Candy's Card Club is going to go up a little bit beginning in May. Now, my current Card Club members, they will be grandfathered in through the rest of the year. Their $39 Card Club packet will hold. So, but if you join after May, you're going to have a price increase. So my encouragement is to go ahead and lock in your price for the rest of the year by joining in April. Once again, what I aim to bring you with Candy's Card Club is value, versatility, and variety. Now, one other thing is that, so the bundle of the month, and for April, it's Delicate Forest. I do give you the opportunity to add it on to your packet, to your kit that's going to come to you in the mail. So when I give you that opportunity, I also give you that opportunity to purchase it at catalog price, at cost, as it were. So I pay your tax and shipping. So I think this one in I don't know what it is and what the bundle price is in the mini, because this is in the mini catalog. I think it's like $52 or something. If that's the price in the catalog, that's the price you pay when you're a card club member and you add it on. So it's a great deal. And like I said, value is my top aim with Candy's Card Club. And Candy's Card Club has evolved. It originally was a monthly class I did in person. And that was before the pandemic. And also, I was getting some requests from some of my friends, some of my Facebook friends, and some of my demonstrator friends, and some of my customers who didn't live locally. So I kind of pivoted a bit and made this into Candy's Card Club. It used to be Saturday Card Club, and now it's Candy's Card Club because you can do this anytime you want. I do have really nice packaging that all of your things come in. Don't have one handy at the moment, but I do have on that package, there's a label, and it will say like, this is Delicate Forest, Candy's Card Club, and it will have a QR code. So that QR code enables you to just scan that with your phone and it will bring up your tutorials. And that makes it really convenient for you because in April, you might get Delicate Forest, Candy's Card Club, and then you don't have a chance in April to work on those projects. Maybe you're not going to work on them until May or June and you don't know where that email is. Yeah, just use the QR code, scan it, and your tutorials are right there. So that is it for today. I hope that you will consider Candy's Card Club. I will say I love this Delicate Forest bundle. It's a lot of fun to use. And so like using the images in unique ways, different ways, is something that I really work on so that you get experience and we can kind of help each other think outside the box and really rock a stamp set, really rock a bundle, because there are so many little pieces in there and so many little images, and they all have purpose. And I like to challenge myself to figure out ways to use them that will be a blessing to you. So thank you so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.